Guys, welcome back to the channel. Check out that pond, man. I'm back over here at Mom's and I got to fix some of her plumbing today. But I just wanted to show y'all the pond. Remember whenever me and Neil were over here cleaning that dude up and everything? That wasn't too long ago, man, but it is looking awesome. It's full of water right now. We've had a bunch of rain. And just want to come over here and show you guys what it looks like. And also, I'm telling you right now, spring is springing over here at Mom's. You know what I'm saying? Check out all the flowers, man. Looks like I'm gonna have to build a bridge one of these days, man, so Mom can just drive her tractor right over the overflow of the water coming out of the pond, because when we drive down here or she takes tractor down here or whatever, it always just leaves a bunch of ruts and stuff like that. So I probably need to build some kind of a bridge over here at some point, you know what I'm saying? right, guys, that gray water line, man, has been backing up all kinds of stuff. Washing machine, it is clogged in there. You saw me put the hose in there. I just wanted to see if I could catch it running out the other end, you know what I mean? But somewhere in that 20-foot span right there, we got a real bad clog. So I'm gonna run and pick up a snake, and I'm gonna try to snake that line. You guys don't go anywhere, because I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, check it out, man. I got it. That was nasty. I don't know if you guys could see on video or not. Whenever I pulled up that big clump, man, it was just hanging off the end of that snake, dude. It was freaking nasty, you know what I'm saying? And then I got some more out, pushed some more out, came down on the other side, snaked it from that side, pulled a little bit out. And then whenever I stuck that hose down in there and turned on the water, man, check it out. We got water coming out the other side, man. I think problem is solved for Mom. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, I got it all buttoned up, man. I guess I'm gonna head over to the Sweet 16 and at least finish painting my rake trim. I got 3 pieces left to paint. Get them all rustified and everything, you know. I'm also going to stop by the electric company and see what it's going to take to get my fiber optic cable ran over to the new tiny house so we can finally have internet out there and have a router and wireless and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that, and thanks for being here. but we're not done. All right, made it over to the Sweet 16. Had to meet with the water department. They're getting ready to set the meter. Hang on, let me turn this up a little bit. They're getting ready to set the meter for the property, you know what I'm saying? And I'm telling you guys right now, I could not be happier, man. It has been over a year since we had the property. No running water except for the creeks, you know what I'm saying? And I don't have a whole lot of time left in the day, but I did want to meet with them. And I wanted to come over here and try to get a little bit of work done. I still have 3 more pieces of galvanized rake metal that I need to get all rustified, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get spray paint out, get my gloves on, my other Milwaukee gloves I was wearing earlier over at Mom's. Man, I just left them over there because I'm telling you right now, after I got done working on Mom's plumbing, my Milwaukee gloves were nasty, so I just left them over there. I'm going to try to find a new pair of gloves, and I'm going to start painting this rake metal. And then tomorrow when I come out here, I'm going to be ready to work on these fascia boards and all that kind of stuff and get that rake metal installed. So I'm glad y'all are here. I'm not quite done for the day, so I'm going to get to work. tripod's flopping. Don't know what's wrong with it. It's all acting all crazy. I don't know about this new tripod, man. Guys, that's gonna do it, man. Just wanted to come over here, check on things, had to meet the water department people, and I wanted to paint those 3 pieces of rake metal and just get them ready so that whenever I'm ready on that fascia board and everything like that, those rakes will just be ready to throw right up, man. But I do appreciate y'all watching, and I just remembered one more thing. If you haven't subscribed, will you please do so? And if you liked any part of this video, man, give me a great big huge thumbs up like. And I just want to say thanks for riding around with me today, man. I was over at Mom's and I come over here at Sweet 16, had to run some errands and stuff. So I do appreciate y'all being with me, man. If you guys got anything to say, like always, just drop it right there in the comments, man. That's all you have to do. That's gonna do it for this one. We'll see y'all on the next video. Peace!